Hello, welcome to this video on statistics. Yes, this module contains a number of videos that will explain the concept of statistics and what it is and problems related to statistics that come in your CSEC examination. As you probably already know, statistics deals with the collection and the recording of information, that is data. Statistics deals with collecting data, very important. Now it collects raw data, and raw data can be collected by means of a survey taken from an unbiased sample which is representative of the population. So in the videos that will follow this, you learn about data collection and much more. Some of the key ideas and concepts: you learn about qualitative data, quantitative data, data distribution, presenting data, analyzing data, continuous data, averages, tally charts, and so on, central tendency, continuous data. You learn about modes, averages, different types of averages, and how to arrive at that, and much more. So we present statistics in a very interesting way, so you learn and retain quite a lot of information. Of course, you learn about presenting data and so on, analyzing data, drawing conclusions, and verifying those conclusions.